Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lasagna pans that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Mrs. Anderson's Baking Oblong Rectangular Lasagna Pan. This ceramic pan boasts a vibrant rose color and a scratch-free glaze that transitions beautifully from oven to table, making it both functional and decorative. The high-fired ceramic resists staining, odors, and cracking, ensuring long-term durability. Its wide handles provide a secure grip, making it easy to transport, even when loaded with layered lasagna or other casseroles. Plus, it's microwave, oven, broiler, and freezer safe, offering versatile cooking options. Design-wise, the pan is slightly smaller at 13 inches by 9 inches and 2.5 inches deep, which might limit its usability for larger recipes. However, its award-winning design compensates by offering a generous capacity for layered dishes and secure handling. The polished finish not only looks stunning, but is also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Unfortunately, customer reviews suggest that the pan isn't as heavy-duty as others on this list, and its durability in high-temperature broiling has been questioned. Overall, this pan is a great choice for those who value aesthetics and versatility. It's perfect for lighter recipes like baked ziti or mac and cheese, but it may not be the top choice for heavy-duty lasagna baking. Pros include its stylish design, wide handles, and versatility, while cons are its smaller capacity and slightly lower durability compared to other ceramic options. At number 4, we have the Chicago Metallic Professional Lasagna Trio Pan, which is the budget-friendly option on this list. Priced at just $19.49, this steel pan stands out for its unique design that allows you to prepare 3 separate lasagna recipes in one go. This feature is perfect for family gatherings or accommodating dietary restrictions. Its non-stick coating ensures hassle-free serving and cleaning, while the durable construction provides even heat distribution, ensuring consistent results every time. The pan is oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended to maintain its non-stick properties. In terms of design, the Trio pan is a bit unconventional with its divided sections, which might not appeal to those looking for a traditional lasagna pan. Measuring 12.5 inches by 16 inches by 3 inches, it's large enough for most recipes but might require extra counter space. The lightweight build makes it easy to handle, but it lacks the sturdiness of ceramic or glass pans. User reviews highlight its versatility for baking loaf breads and cakes, making it a multi-purpose addition to your kitchen. This pan is ideal for budget-conscious buyers or those who enjoy experimenting with different recipes at once. Its key pros include affordability, versatility, and ease of use, while cons are its unconventional design and slightly less durable material compared to higher-end options. At number 3, the Malakasa 4.4 QT baking dish offers a premium ceramic build that's lead-free, cadmium-free, and non-toxic. This rectangular lasagna pan is designed with straight sides and a large capacity of 142 ounces, making it perfect for larger recipes like lasagna, casseroles, or roast chicken. The pan is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and features a double-handled design for safe and easy transport. Additionally, its smooth glazing inside and out protects against stains and ensures effortless cleaning, either by hand or in the dishwasher. One standout feature is the air bubble design at the base, which helps release steam and prevents cracking during high-temperature use. This thoughtful detail makes it extremely durable and suitable for prolonged baking sessions. The polished finish adds a touch of elegance, making it a great choice for serving at the table. However, the pan isn't compatible with direct stovetop use, which might limit its versatility for some users. With its durable construction and stylish design, the Malakasa baking dish is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality ceramic lasagna pan. Pros include its large capacity, easy-to-clean surface, and safety features, while cons are its incompatibility with stovetop cooking and slightly higher weight compared to glass or steel options. Finally, at number 1, we have the Pyrex Deep Glass Baking Dish with Lid. Priced at $27.73, this pan offers unbeatable versatility and durability. Made from high-quality, non-porous glass, it resists stains, odors, and flavors, making it ideal for baking, storing, and reheating. The 9 by 13-inch pan is 50% deeper than standard Pyrex dishes, allowing for extra room to layer lasagna or other recipes without worrying about spills. The BPA-free plastic lid provides a snug fit, making it easy to store leftovers or transport dishes to potlucks. The clear glass design is not only functional, but also allows you to monitor your food as it cooks. Oven-safe, microwave-safe, and freezer-safe, this pan truly excels in versatility. Its dishwasher-safe feature ensures effortless cleanup, while its lightweight yet sturdy construction makes handling a breeze. User reviews highlight its durability and practicality, but some mention that the lid isn't completely airtight, which might be a slight inconvenience for storage. Overall, the Pyrex Deep Glass Baking Dish is the ultimate choice for those seeking reliability and convenience. Pros include its deeper design, multi-use functionality, and durable glass construction, while cons are its slightly less secure lid and heavier weight compared to ceramic pans. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.